Basics of carbon arc gouging, a comprehensive guide. Carbon arc gouging is a widely used and highly efficient technique used in welding for effectively removing metal. By harnessing the intense heat generated by an arc between a carbon electrode and the workpiece, this technique allows for precise and controlled metal removal. In this blog post, we'll delve into the world of air carbon arc gouging, exploring its history, applications, and step-by-step process. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience under your belt, this resource will be a valuable tool for becoming a proficient welder. What is air carbon arc gouging? Air carbon arc gouging, also known as air carbon arc cutting, is a metal removal process that utilizes the heat generated by an arc between a carbon electrode and the workpiece. Compressed air, directed through outlets in the torch, lifts the molten metal away from the arc, preventing it from solidifying and facilitating smooth metal removal. The versatility of air. Carbon arc, gouging, and welding. One of the remarkable aspects of air carbon arc gouging is its versatility. Unlike oxy-fuel cutting, it does not require oxidation to maintain the cut. This allows it to gouge or cut a wide range of metals, including carbon steel, stainless steel, high alloy wear plates, copper alloys, and cast irons. Whether you need to back gouge weld seams, remove gates and risers from castings, or reshape torn metal, air carbon arc gouging is a reliable choice for various welding applications. A brief history of carbon arc gouging. The roots of carbon arc gouging trace back to Myron Stepath, who developed the process during World War II to remove defective welds in stainless steel armor plates on U.S. warships. Traditional methods such as chipping and grinding were impractical due to time and cost constraints. Stepath's groundbreaking work led to the establishment of Arcaire Company in 1949, which is now part of the ESAB family of brands. Today, the name Arcaire is synonymous with the gouging process, representing its rich history and enduring legacy. Why use carbon arc gouging? There are several compelling reasons to embrace this technique in the welding industry. Firstly, carbon arc gouging offers remarkable efficiency in metal removal. Its ability to generate intense heat through an electric arc between a carbon electrode and the workpiece allows for precise and controlled cutting. This means you can efficiently remove excess weld metal, reshape torn metal, or even back gouge weld seams to reach the deposited weld metal from the other side of the workpiece. Secondly, carbon arc gouging is a versatile process that can be applied to various metals, including carbon steel, stainless steel, high alloy wear plates, copper alloys, and cast irons. Whether you're working on construction equipment repairs, gate and riser removal from castings, or equipment maintenance, carbon arc gouging is a valuable tool. Lastly, this technique has a rich history and continues to be widely used in the industry, with brands like Arcaire leading the way in its development. So by embracing carbon arc gouging, you're adopting a proven and reliable method that has stood the test of time. Applications and methods of carbon arc gouging. Let's explore the various applications and methods of carbon arc gouging that have revolutionized the welding industry. Back gouging. This technique involves reaching the deposited weld metal from the other side of the workpiece to achieve a clean and precise result. Gate and riser removal. Carbon arc gouging is ideal for removing gates and risers from castings, ensuring smooth and seamless finishing. Weld metal removal. It efficiently removes old or excess welded metal, allowing equipment to be repaired effectively. Reshaping torn metal. Carbon arc gouging is commonly used to reshape torn metal before welding repair, particularly in construction equipment applications. To gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental processes of carbon arc gouging, don't miss out on our essential expert guide, Basics and Processes of Carbon Arc Gouging. Economical air carbon arc cutting process. Can be used on most metals. Chemical changes are virtually nil, as the process is primarily physical air requirements. Ordinary compressed air, as supplied by a shop airline or compressor, is suitable. Most applications require 80 to 100 psi. Specifications: amperage rating 800 to 1250 amperes Requirement: 80 to 100 psi, and here's how you do it.